Hello friends, welcome to another video of Investing Right. I have already done videos how to create retirement corpus. Many of them are relevant even today. I have done videos on some of the upcoming stocks which can give good returns. Just last week, many of them, some of them like Tata Investments and the Godrej Industries has gone up over 20% in a single day. But when I checked, these videos are having no takers. They are still having only 32 likes and thereof. So let me tell you, these kind of videos are very important for you to make money, serious money in stock market. Now, with respect to the retirement corpus, I have done the videos as to how to make 20 lakhs per month pension once you retire. Please watch the video if you have not done so. This video, if you are very serious and if you are aggressive, how you can make a corpus of 100 crores by the time you retire. That's what I am trying to explain. 100 crores looks huge at this point, right? But let me tell you, making 100 crores seems very simple. In one's corporate life career of 35 years, one can make 100 crores. For that, all he needs to invest is 10 lakhs in the beginning. I know what you are coming to say. Everyone cannot afford to bring in 10 lakhs in the beginning of their career. Where will they bring it from? But I'll explain you how you can do it through an SIP manner also. Usually the corporate career is around 35 years for an Indian citizen. He gets a job at 23 and he retires at around 58 or so. If you are in private sector, you might get few more years to attain your goals. So 35 years he has 10 sets of 3.5 years, 10 blocks. In each of this block, if you can double your money, doubling your money in 3.5 years means you need to get a 20% annual return. If you can do that, then in each block you can double your money. So 1 becomes 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512 and 1024. That means 1 year has become 1024 in 10 blocks. That is 35 years. That means if you invest 10 lakhs, you have a chance to win over 100 crores in a matter of 35 years. It's not just winning, just not a lottery. You will make 100 crores. Now you might be asking the question, where should we invest for making this doubling in 3.5 years? I will come to that. Next question is, many of you might be asking is that, okay, I don't have that much money, like 10 lakhs to be invested in the beginning of my career. How do I still attain such a big corpus? Of course, you might require your parents' support in order to make an initial investment of 10 lakhs in the beginning of your career. But to start an SIP of 17,000 from 23, you may not require that, right? Most of you might be entered into a career where you can attain 17,000 SIP. 17,000 is not a big deal for many of you. Since your salaries might be 35,000 also in the beginning of a career, you can afford to have a SIP of 17,000. So with 17,000 every month for 35 years, you will make 100 crores, making your money growing at 20%. If you still, some of you tells that my salary is not that much, I cannot afford to have that much initial SIP amount, then I suggest that you would start with 10,000 rupees per month. Now, you need to increase it every year after year by 10%. That means the first year per month you should be investing 10,000. Second year per month you need to invest 11,000. Third year 12,100 and that's all. So this way you too can earn 100 crores by the end of your career at 58. So this may not be applicable just for the newcomers. Even if you are middle aged, you still can use this piece of data for helping your children to attain this financial freedom. So, as I said, every block of 3.5 years, you should double your money, then your money can be doubled 1000 times in 35 years. Now, the obvious question is that where should we invest in order to get this kind of returns? You can invest in the stock market, in the Nifty Bs, the Nifty ETF, which can give the Nifty return. But if you get more focused, if you try to pinpoint some more stocks or ETFs which can do well, you focus on sectors which may do well in future, like IT, banking, auto, and pharma. You can achieve this. Now, look at the past performance of these sectors in India's stock market, and not just that, look at what these sectors are going to do in the next 35 years. There lies the answer to your question. So, the eminent HNIs and analysts, stock analysts, whom I believe, are firmly believing that the coming 3-4 decades are very critical for India. It will definitely make the big wins what we are hoping for. So we should be focusing on these sectors for these years in order to make such a big bucks from the stock market. Now, many might be interested in coming and trolling me for selling about 100 crores. But before that, I request you to just go through this video fully once again and try to see whether you are getting convinced with this. We are using scientific methods. We are using the past data and the future prospects of these sectors which can make money. So with very minimal intervention, with very little financial help, you can do that. Now, I suggested some ETFs where you can invest, like Bank Bs, PSU Bank Bs, Auto Bs, IT Bs, Pharma Bs, which can help you to attain here. Maybe a few selected focus stocks also will get you there. Now, for that, you might require a financial advisor's help. Of course, to my clients, I give such stock ideas on a daily basis. I had given many of them and it has worked. I have done videos also for general public which explains about many such ideas. The videos on Godrej Industries, Tata Investments which I done some time back are still having only very less views. I feel that those videos, if you had seen earlier on, you could have made money. Last week itself, Godrej Industries went up by 20% upper secured in a single day. I already explained you how you can, with a lump sum investment of 10 lakhs, how to make your this one. So through SIP also, if you are not that fortunate to have a 10 lakh with you, you can invest on a monthly basis. 17,000 per month for 35 years or 10,000 with initial investment and a 10% step up on your SIP for 35 years will get you there. Many might be wondering why you require money. Money is not everything. That's so true. But as Shah Rukh Khan had mentioned in one of his recent interview, see, before talking about such things, such philosophical things about money, you should be rich, right? Only for a dad for whom his son is admitted to hospital after a bike accident will know like the importance of having money at that point of time. So though money is not everything, you require money. Wherever you require money, you need that, right? For that only, you should have this means. If you feel this will work, I'm not going into very detailed things. It's very simple, but it's not easy to follow because you will be distracted by many other external events. What is happening, like Israel war, Ukraine war, COVID, all these things make you will sell your portfolio and you will lose faith. There can be instances where 50% of the portfolio also will be lost in a year's time. But if you are focused, if you are convinced, you can achieve this fiat. So if you feel that this video is interesting and is convincing, it can work, then kindly share it with your friends. Share it to other groups where you feel that somebody will be helpful for them. Thanks for watching.
Investing Right. We help you to organize your investments to save for your retirement life and other major goals. In and out of mutual funds is explained. The taxes associated with them, the importance of taking the fund in the name of your minor child in order to reduce the tax burden, how to invest for your child's education, marriage, how to invest in global companies like Facebook, Google, sitting in India with an ordinary share trading account, how to evaluate a fund, what are the funds selected with such evaluation criteria. We also give an analysis of other products like exchange traded funds, real estate investment trust funds, non-convertible debentures, and stock analysis, especially of holding companies, which holds deep value. No, we don't just cover the definitions, but the in-depth analysis is given, allowing you to take the decisions depending on your risk profile. Share this video with your friends if you find it interesting. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Come, invest right for a better tomorrow.